Okay, in order to make a background, you first have to create a background in the same way you create a sprite or an object. You name it with a name that will signify that it is a background, such as the bee I'm using here. Make sure when you're making a tile set that it has the correct dimensions to be the tile set. And you will also need a background to go behind the tile set to cover in any gaps, such as that one there. Now we'll also be creating a wall block that will be used to demonstrate the tile set. Now, we'll be unticking the visible box and ticking the solid box to make it so that it can be collided with, but it won't be visible in the room we are creating now. So from this foreground image box, just beneath the checkbox, you need to select your background and uncheck draw background color so that any gaps in your background sprite aren't filled in with the generic color. And from tiles, select your tile set, which should have black squares around all of its correct tile sizes. And you can assemble them as shown into whatever shape you wish. These pipes are designed to interconnect with each other in a way that looks nice, but without having collision checking for every one of them, which is what makes it the superior way to do a background. And you can also add a tile layer in order to make tiles go behind each other, such as to have grass in the foreground and sky in the background. And as you can see, we're putting in some of the wall blocks. Those won't be visible during gameplay because they had the invisible box checked. And we'll also just create a player object very quickly to demonstrate that these blocks do exist, but they are essentially replaced with the tile set objects for gameplay. So we're just going to create a quick bounce event and a key press down event and put it into the room. So as you can see, tiles simply replace the appearance of the block.